Hello guys, welcome back to SolidWorks for Dummies Part 2. And today we're going to talk about this top bar because that's where most of your features are going to be. So you can see sketch, evaluate, markup, dimensions, and add-ins, and the rest of the options here. So we're only going to talk about the first 5. So sketch is where you're going to actually sketch your object. So this is going to be a 2D outline of whatever you want your object to be. Next, you're going to be able to turn this into a 3D object. And how do you do that? You're going to extrude. You can turn your object into a 3D object, round any corners, and change any shape that you want and make it an object that you actually want it to be. Next, we have evaluate. This is where you can do all of your dimensions, check for any interferences, whether something is conflicting, something's going wrong. So this is basically just looking that your model is right and there are no mistakes with it. I personally don't use it that much, but a lot of people in the professional industry do. Next, we have the dimensions tab, and this is where you can do all kinds of fancy dimensions, angles, rotations, the measurements of your lines, anything that you want. Usually you can also just use Smart Dimension for this, but if you're going the more advanced route, you can also use this tab. And lastly, my favorite, SolidWorks add-ins. This is where you can do all kinds of magic. I use it for rendering, so to make your object pretty or change the material on it. You can also do electronics and circuits on this. You can do motion studies, so if something is moving and you want to animate it, you can do flow dynamics. There are just a lot of cool things in here, so I recommend that you explore. I hope this made sense and watch the next part.